whether their holidays will be honoured by the receiver.
Sit for that in breakfast meeting at further with Bernard Baby.
And I would go the last thing then, there's still more integrating on as well. Take a look at the way you go, because well for those sort of good. Very positive problem, probably directions. The door for doesn't do well and so far off to all. It's very windy or breezy day. And only around the renewable line to the west and west. But like a bit more down the goals, right? It's more with rope surface. Both the run, the west, the northern arm. The possible another or rope surface very good and they've got funds. Well, what you put is for now. It's been a lot of rain and it's not practically fun. There was this rope so nice. It's a little bit. Nice markets, what so we make it plan go do it, but the Northern Ireland works with Scotland and to brush culture. So good. The styles nice touch with it. The one is nice. More of us have a bit first when I have an eye. All over the colors. Those two goes really well on the line and brush this place. Easy. That's a lot from England. Right, nice. 5.6. More. What a fun. Good the rings of the digits and what kind. Number. That's awesome. Well, the picture. There was nice. There was roughly the back. Well, the less of those. Roughly. Once the smart. Right, why? Why?
Well, they'll get. In 2 days' time, it won't matter who dies, whether he was armed, none of it.
Now, I'll give you a job. Tell you where to dig. It's X marks the spot.
I'm going to hang him out to dry.
It's not down to us.
I'm going to have him.
It's not our brief.
Between the Lines. Friday, 9:30 on 1.
I know you've noticed something missing in your life since May. We call it Sports Night. It's back tonight on this big night of international football. Alan Shearer, the man in top club form, leads the England attack in Spain. England looking for a good recovery from those European Championship finals. We'll also see Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland in World Cup action. We hear from David Gower and Mike Gatting on their respective cricketing fortunes. Athletics and boxing are also on the Sports Night agenda. By the way, Hill and Venables are back. Short summer, wasn't it?
Now, in the first of a new series, Inside Story reveals the secrets of a British Army massacre of 1948 in cold blood.